Very good morning. So in this video we are going to discuss about the flip-flops, right? A flip-flop is nothing but a storage device, right? A single bit storage device. We know that what is digit, what is bit, and how the binary bits are processing in the digital electronics. And we have discussed the combinationals and sequentials circuits in the previous videos, and what are the differences among those circuits, and how the outputs has been processed, and how the bits has been stored in the logic circuits that we have discussed. Here the flip-flop is a storage device, that is a single bit storage device, 0 or 1. Stored value can be changed only at certain times determined by a clock input, right? So when we store a value, that is going to change or that is going to process, that depends on the applications when we are applying a clock circuits. So in terms of clocks, we know that different clock pulses are being used. That depends by the users, right? Edge triggers, level triggers, rising edge, falling edge. So we have different ranges of clock pulses to be applied to the circuits, right? A digital circuit that contains flip-flops is called a sequential circuits, right? So digital circuits that contain a flip-flops is called sequential circuits. There is a storage, right? So when we are doing some applications, doing some additions or multiplications, and we are going to store the value in somewhere, means then there's a usage of storing a single bits. So here we can use a flip-flops. So we have different types of flip-flops in the digital electronics, right? The first one is SR flip-flops. It has two inputs, set and reset, that is S and R. The outputs is Q and Q bar. Whereas in D flip-flops, it has a single input, that is D, and the output is Q and Q bar. Then third one is JK flip-flops, and the output is Q and Q bar. So input combination is J and K, the output is Q and Q bar. Here the D is delay flip-flops, and one more additional flip-flop is there, T flip-flop. T, that is also a single input, and the output is Q and Q bar. So T is toggle flip-flops. So these flip-flops are only used for a storage, a single bit storage device, and there is an application perspective that defines which flip-flop is going to use, whether you are going to use for a single flip-flops, that is single input flip-flops, or double input flip-flops, that depends, right? So let me discuss it one by one.